3 ways to get your book created super fast. Even if you are busy or hate writing. My name is Frederick Ubaka, your online business coach. A lot of people are missing out and leaving a lot of money on the table because they believe they are not writers, or they claim to be too busy. They see ebook writing and Amazon book publishing as a no-go area. And I don't want you to be one of them. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write an ebook, even if you are busy or you hate writing. Number 1. Outsource. The first method is to outsource for writing service. Outsourcing means looking for somebody to write the book for you, and you pay the person a one-time fee, and you become the owner of the book. There are great sites where you can outsource for writers. Examples are Upwork.com, Fiverr.com, Guru.com, etc. You can also get some Nigeria freelancers on Facebook to help you out. Just search for content writers on Facebook and you will find them there. Number 2. Use speech recognition app. Another method is to use the speech recognition app. A lot of people don't know that they have this app on their laptop. Now, how do you locate this app? Go to the laptop search bar and type speech recognition and you will be surprised to see it there. With this app you will have to speak your book out. You will speak the content of your book and the app will do the magic for you. It will convert the audios into text format for you. For those using their mobile phone to write, go to Google Play Store, download Google Keyboard app and install it on your mobile phone and start using it. Number 3. PLR Articles. This method is the fastest method of creating an ebook. Now what is PLR Articles? PLR Articles means, Private Label Rights Articles. Private label rights are a special type of right, or license which you purchase, where you are legally allowed to edit and publish the article as your own. You may even include your own name as the author and your own resource box at the end of each article. With PLR Articles, your ebook will be ready in minutes. All you need to do is to get the niche for your PLR articles. If you are the type that wants a stress-free way to compile content for your ebook, you can also get some PLR ebook in your specific niche. For example, if you plan to write an ebook on how to lose weight, you can get the PLR ebook on it and rewrite or update the ebook. Most PLR ebooks comes with squeeze pages, sales pages, ebook covers, and graphics. I have over 300,000 PLR articles in different niches I have gathered for you. I also have 100 PLR ebooks I will be given out for a token. Use the link displayed on the screen and below the description to get your own PLR articles and PLR ebooks now. Thanks for watching. Hope you got value. I hope to see you watch my next video. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook to get regular updates on making money online opportunities out there. Bye.